Hey, welcome back to WorldwideGiantGrowers.com 2019 season with Bubba and Eri. Hey, what we're doing today here, we've got our plants in the houses, and I want to answer the question, what is the best soil temperature? What is optimum to get the plants growing? Well, right now we're out here, and I have my Pampered Chef thermometer. This is a nice thermometer. Use it for all my prime rib roast. 54 degrees. You know, 54 degrees with a 6-inch probe. We're figuring this probe's 5 to 6 inches long. You know how most men can't read a tape measure, but that's a solid 5 inches, trust me. There we go. I'll stick it down in there. 54 degrees. All right. Now, we're going to take the probe out. We're going to bring it in the house where we have our soil warming cables that we buried probably over a week ago. Has it been over a week, Eri?
No,
Wednesday will be a week.
What if you stuck it
Since we put the plants in the ground or the cables?
Oh, a week. Oh, yeah, a week, yeah.
Yeah, so now we're in the Sunday. We planted the plants in here on April 24th. All right? The cables went in a few days earlier. Anyways, we're at 72 degrees. The soil's 72 degrees. To answer your question, what is the optimum temperature? About 70. These soil cables shut off at 70. A plant will really start to grow in the 70-degree range. 54, too cold. Plants are just going to sit still and rot. So if you're planting your plants, I don't care if they're flowers, cucumbers, whatever they may. And this video is for the cucumbers, you cucumbers. If you're the first year growing, we call you a cucumber. Second year, we'll call you a newcomer. All right? Anyways, here you go. Call Bubba crazy. Most people do. But at 72 degrees, your plants will have liftoff. We're getting some sun today. Praise the Lord. The plants, they don't look that great, but that's because we just stuck them in 4 days ago. It got cold. The nights are cold, 30 degrees. We're shutting them up at night. There's the other house over there, keeping them warm. But yeah, what you want to do, don't go stick your plant out in cold ground. If you don't have the soil warmed up, they're going to sit there. In fact, they'll go backwards. We have this little house here. I call it a convertible because I can pull the plastic off. We have a drop cloth here that will pull over at night. Painter's drop cloth, cover it up, shut it all down at night and keep it warm in there. The 72 degrees from the soil raising up will keep it warm. But hey, we have sent seeds around the world. We have state champions all over. Arkansas state champion Jeremy Lindley, watermelon seeds. He uses Mark's mixes along with other products, but he uses Mark's mixes. Chris Kent grew a 327-pound watermelon last year in the Smoky Mountains using Mark's mixes exclusively. Alan Eaton grew a world record long gourd, Canada, on and on. The list goes on and on. We have Phil Gronwald in Indiana, one of the best growers in Indiana. I believe he's up to 1,666-pound big orange pumpkins. So join us. Join us at Worldwide Giant Growers to get your answers to all your gardening needs. What is the optimum soil temperature? 72 degrees. And you get these little houses going, don't shut them up and get it 80, 90 degrees in there. You don't need that. Once the plant's in there, per Steve Delitas out in Oregon, he likes to have it in the 70s in the house. 80s, you're going to start cooking the funky monkey. You don't need the funky monkey cooking in your little greenhouse.
Too hot.
Right, Eri?
Too hot.
So what do you got to say to us this beautiful Sunday morning, Eri?
It's going to heat it up.
All right, we're warming it up in here. So hey, join us. WorldwideGiantGrowers.com. Keep it a secret, but go tell a friend. We're growing all of our garden veggies with Mark's mixes. We'll talk to you soon.